so far away, I can't even talk to you.
I know.
Trying to talk softly and not give away the next song on the mic, but I don't think you can hear me if I...
I don't can hear. I don't can hear. It's like, we need sign language.
Usually we're like this far apart when we sing.
I
Right?
know. It's weird. It's weird. You seem far.
We can like play each other's instruments usually. This is far.
It's weird. No, you're not in danger of being hit by my wrist. You're good. We're going to take you back to the island of Kauai. Because you know that's our favorite island because we live there. We're going to take you to the west side, to the beautiful sands of Nohiti. To the west side of our beautiful island of Kauai.